Hello, welcome to Foodology, a completely different weight management program to help you lose weight without going on another fad diet program. Foodology ends dieting forever. Diets are so dangerous that governments should ban them. Diet programs are among the leading cause of premature deaths. We examine the madness in our first video lesson on diet wars. You'll see and hear firsthand how diet programs are killing millions of people each year. You'll get to compare real data against the hard facts about why would dieting be necessary in the first place. Lastly, we look at the food crisis that's causing 200 million people to be clinically diagnosed as obese. We give you 3 foods to put in your diet right now that will help you lose weight. Just add these foods and watch your bodies transform from fat to thin without dieting. We also give you 3 fruits that will end your cravings for refined sugar. All 3 of these fruits are sweet with an amazing taste. We give you 3 vegetables that will protect the body from digestive cancers, one of the leading cause cancer deaths. We are different at Foodology. We don't lie. We believe that wellness begins with food. Watch our video, Diet Wars.